So you go to your PixelLab, you launch it. So after launching it, you delete all the new text box. So you click OK. So you go to your plus sign at the top left top there. So you click on from gallery. So you select your background pics. So you select the suitable one you wish to use or the one you prefer. So once you click on it, so you press OK, you will insert it. So you make it big, at least to your perfect size. So you select shape. Firstly, you will lock the background and the picture. So you select your shape. So you edit the radius, the opacity, and the stroke. So you drag it. After that, you click OK. You drag it from the bottom to fit in the shape. I mean the background. So you won't have any lapses there. So you can see I select picture from the gallery, which is the background itself. So I insert it into that shape. So you click OK. After that, you duplicate. So now I copied the first one. So I went to the texture. I select the picture, which is the background itself. So I cropped the upper part. So I want that color to be shown. So I place it very well. So I make sure the first one that I copy, I click on to front. So the one at the right hand side can be behind the first one at the bottom. So you can see, so I copied it again. I rotated it. So I make sure the it is well. I make sure they are well positioned. So the first one at the bottom side. So I click on to front. So the right side can be, the left side can be behind the one at the bottom. So that's it. So I copied the bottom again to cover some places. So you can see. So I click on my lock. So I selected everything and I click on merge. I press OK. So can you see? That's how I blend the background with the